Okay, my first makeup tutorial. I'm just gonna do a simple look. Yes, I have my hoodie already on because I didn't want to get makeup on it. So I already used NYX pore filler and around my cheeks and nose, and then I used the shine killer around my nose and see how that works on me. It's my first time ever using it. But I'm going to use Becca and Mahogany and my Real Technique brush. So I'm just doing something. Usually I would do concealer and cover up dark circles, but I really don't feel like doing it. I don't even need that much, but like, I don't know if I need that much, but we'll see. She said it was like a full coverage, so it's my first time ever using this product. Let's see how it does on my skin. I hope she matched me pretty good, because if not, I'm gonna run back to the store and be like, hey, this doesn't match me. Oh wow. Oh wow. Because you gotta bring it all the way down to your neck. So that's what I'm doing. I'm trying my best not to. Wow. I'm surprised what it's doing right now. And a little bit more on my nose and forehead. Thin 9 translucent powder. This is in Nutmeg. I didn't get any Becca foundation powder. I felt like I didn't need it. Using Pro Concealer, and I'm using this in Chestnut. So sorry you guys can't see it, but it's Chestnut. Wow, that fell. What?
Hi. You just said hi, Daddy.
Who?
Period.
Really?
Yes, he just said hi, Daddy. Plain as day.
Our son is autistic, and
Hi, Daddy.
yeah, I don't think he'll say it again. So yeah. Who cares? Using some Josie Marin oil, like spray, rose gold refreshing water, rose water, and I'm just going to use this one. It's been 9 and it's in Topaz, and I'm going to use that to set it. What I'm gonna do is put Beautifully Bronze on my eyelids, and this is in the Pro Concealer too. So I'm gonna just
and we're gonna do it down my legs. You can go in any order you want. Me, I don't go in anywhere. Yeah, I'm not using my fingers today, so that's what I'm doing. And it's honestly almost the same look I had yesterday. And I'm just gonna go spread it all out here.
and I'm gonna use matte Rosen, this color here. And that's almost the same color as my actual skin tone. So what I'm just doing, I'm just setting it. Just going in, I'm using this one. Just going in and just setting it. I'm gonna use matte Garcia. That's that in the corner there. So I'm gonna just use that. And I'm gonna go in my crease. I'm gonna use Drama, and that's this one here. I'm gonna use Drama. I'm going to make a crease, and I'm just going in, blending it. That's all I'm doing is blending. Really good innocent. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. See how it looks. It doesn't look bad. Sorry, didn't mean to block you guys. I think I'll use black eyeliner. I don't know why I'm using dark brown. I think I'm gonna use black. New York. I got my nails put back on. I'm almost done, honey. Then I'll be doing your hair in a minute. My daughter. I gotta do her hair. Let me use this big mirror because that's even better. I'm not the best when it comes to wings. You crazy. Alright, another thing that I'm gonna do is mascara. I'm not gonna put on falsies. I don't want to. Especially if I don't have time. I just don't do falsies most of the time. So I'm gonna use this right here. Carbon Black by Loreal. This right here, I think I'm gonna use that last one here. It's the darkest one. I'm gonna use that, and I'm just gonna use my BH Cosmetic brush. And this is Heather Silk. No, it's Berry Shimmer. Sorry. I do have Heather Silk, which is a good one, so you have to like really, if you're like that, like over in this angle, because when I smile, I have high cheekbones. So, okay, I think that's enough. Blush. I don't want to look harsh on the blush. Wet n Wild Fergie. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go up here. I'm gonna go over here. Do the same thing. I'm gonna make my brow kind of above it a little bit. And then put some on my nose. Alright, and then for my lips, I'm just gonna, this is, I got this from the drugstore, but I don't know what name. This would maybe take me a few minutes to do, not too long, but I had to look for stuff. If I had to look for stuff, I would have been done. Look. And then I'm gonna just put my wig on. I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. So just take a stocking cap and I just do this. And then I'm gonna spray my face too. And I kind of move it up just a little bit. But I'll probably take a little coconut oil and do something about that. But and then hey, use Stella. My wig, I call her Stella. Okay, and then we're gonna put her on like this and bring her forward. And that's how, because I love wearing wigs. I can change it up and stuff. I just flat iron it on my mannequin head back there. So yeah, this is how Stella looks. And this is the finished product, you guys. And I'm gonna put my glasses on. So hope you like my first tutorial. Hope it came out pretty well. But yeah, I'm gonna just put, oh, and I'm wearing a cap today, so this is what I'm wearing today. And then I'm gonna have my glasses on because I'm blind as a damn bat right now. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and I will talk to you in my next. Bye, you guys. Just one more thing, I almost forgot. Put some this Josie Marin Fresh and Rose Water. I need to order some more because this is like the best. But let me, I messed up my hair. This damn baseball cap. It's alright though, I'm about to go brush it anyway. Alright y'all, holla.